Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to the place where you for the see our video. So my people, we don't carry another ogbonge matter come again. This time we won't welcome Shine. We won't welcome Shine to Saga Grant. Shine, you are welcome to Saga. So you can't comot from actress, from a musician. You can't say na Saga. Now you won't come enter, my sister. If person not tell you, you know, tell yourself. If your husband not fit talk to you, say, woman, not trying. You no go fit talk to yourself, say, Saga, no be thing where person dey put body. You no see people when they do saga, you go fit. As they talk, they say if your body no full, no pull body, you go fit. No be cry, they say mo can't cry you. Now saga you they use body, your two hand and your two leg they enter. And you won't even start. You won't start the saga. You can't say now with Lolo. Now wow, my people, before we start, before we go straight to this matter, and I know say we go play little of the audio for now. We will also go through the comments if any comments there. So before we go on this matter, before we play the audio, please my amazing people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing. Please, subscription is free. Do your girl a favor by subscribing. Support me by subscribing. Your one subscriber go help me a lot. Please consider by subscribing. Okay, subscription is free. God bless you my amazing people. Let's go on this video. I know say most people don't see this video where Shine for comment for Lolo and Rita. Ekia queen never tell you say if you won't fight with Rita, now long stick, that only stick way long way, now you fit take fight with Rita. You never hear where Ekia queen they talk am. Abi you know they follow Ekia queen. You never hear where many people they talk am for this social media say if you won't fight with Rita, you will fight with Rita with Tony stick way long way. You won't just start saga, you know if you start with another people. You can't say na Lolo and Rita. Meanwhile, this matter, yes, day before yesterday, who fair come out analyze you? Who come out analyze your video, send message to you? Na Monica. Fear can't they catch you? Fear not let you talk to Monica. You can't say, Lolo, uwaila, Rita, my dear. If people they push you to enter saga, tell them say saga not be waiting that they push person to enter. Tell them say saga not be waiting that they push person to enter. Because now you use your two leg and your two hands, cry come out for social media. You not cry go meet your friend. You can't cry come out for social media. What do you expect? What do you be expect? When you cry come out for social media, you be expect say people just keep you quiet, they no go talk. As far the matter dey on social media, everybody get rights to talk on the matter when they on social media, because they no dey go your house go bring this matter come out. You cry come out. Now you cry come out say your husband send you another girl photo. Now you cry come out. You no fit solve am out for inside house. You can't say na social media be the best place to solve this matter come out. So all of them can't help you now. What do you expect when you bring your matter come on social media? Husband and wife matter, you carry am come on social media. What do you be expect? You be expect say everybody when not get topic. Like me now give me topic. Me I not get topic. As you cry come out now, you go say like person like me, if I fit talk small thing put say I no go talk, I must talk. You see many people they go talk. Many people not get topic, they must talk. So why you can't take Monica? Why you can't take Monica out of it? Why you can't focus on Lolo and Rita? Why you focus on Lolo and Rita? Now you call for this saga. So you feel they make your video now say your husband has been begging you to rest. Now you don't rest. You know Lolo matter. They know they rest for Lolo matter. Because now you call for her. You call for Rita. You see two women when you just go they call, go the saga. You see those two women when you just go they enter their problem with your two hands. You just use that they enter those women problem. You go they enter those women trouble. You no even wait them finish. At least before you do saga with person, you go wait this the person say, if this person come for me, maybe I go feel handle am or I no go feel handle am. You no even try something like that. You just come out, come they talk. Lolo this, Lolo that, Lolo this, Rita, Ritekia, Lolekia. No be new thing. Everybody don't know say na name. Na their guys name for Facebook be that. All of them get ekia. So you call it the Ritekia, Lolekia, not be new thing for us. We don't know say na wetin people they call them before. Because say you want saga. You want enter the club. Welcome to the club of saga. Welcome to Saga Grant. You dey see Cora. Yes, I dey use Cora as a good example. You see Cora. Everybody don dey find Cora to talk as e husband don mumu reach, don talk reach for social media. Everybody don dey find Cora to come out, come dey explain wetin really happen. Cora never did. She respects herself as a musician that she is, as a dancer that she is, as educated girl that she is, educated woman that she is. She respects herself. And you call yourself, say you dey educated. You dey do wa with women when dey social media, when everybody don't know. Sorry, may I sorry not come be your second name, my sister. May I sorry not come be your second name. Before you come and say you won't call Rita and Lolo, I believe say you ready. But the problem where I get with you, say you no wait there if you go fit beat them or not. You for wait there, say this woman, I'll feel beat her or I no feel beat her. Okay, you don't wait Monica. You can see say Monica, you no go fit for Monica matter. Then you take Monica name out of your mat. You can say na Lolo and Rita. Na you go fit fight. So my people, I will let you now. I'll play this audio for now. I'm gonna listen to how our Shine take call Lolo and Rita for saga. Say she won't do saga with them. So my amazing people, in case of tomorrow, say Rita and Lolo come out for wetin they call her. In case of tomorrow, say Rita and Lolo come out for Shine. Nobody, may anybody not judge. So Mona.
You will sit down with your bokoro head like a money see me logo and be analyzing on other people. Lolekia, you don't look at yourself. We look at your bokoro head. So now we want to cover that your bokoro head.
Before you even call her bokoro head, now she don't fit tell you say, see my bokoro head, say I no wear wig, so that in case you dey curse her, you fit call her bokoro head. Really, you do am. I beg you. Now they cry, come and say, I'm educated. Do I know the meaning of educated? We will not even go school, say we better pass most of una when say una go school. I beg you, my people, more than they listen.
Lolekia, now wait for the cover that your bokoro head. Since Lolekia, go at you, won't be. Lolekia. Uhorion Bay, Lolikia.
Now so they tell they do
your
saga.
condition was that bad that you don't even know the economy of Nigeria, Lolikia. Haven't you heard that I have an organization? We empower women, Lolikia. Since at the end of the month in UK, you cannot have £100 to yourself. Come to my organization. We will support you. It is my duty. We will support you. We will empower you, Lolikia. I don't have to come to social media publicly to come and be raising funds for you. I will just tell the women in my group and say, let's support this woman. No wonder she will not allow people to rest. No wonder she will not allow people to rest. Lolikia, your mozwo that you call Odogo, I call you how you been swear. Your mozwo that you call Odogo. Do you know his family? How many times have you been to Nigeria and you brag, hey, this is my hometown, my husband's.
Una hear wetin dem dey call her shine dey cause Lolo. She dey cause Lolo or Loleke as she call her. You dey call her husband. When she talk to you, she call your husband. Because tomorrow now, if they come out for your husband, you will be the one to come out on social media to cry, say, these people, these women don't come out for your husband. Why did they call your husband? Because when she talked to you yesterday, maybe na me no hear her. My people, Mona, if una still hear anything, where Lolo for the cause shy husband, Mona still try. Mona talk am. When she come out for you yesterday, did she insult your husband? No. The answer is no for me, because I was on her live video yesterday when she passed message to you. So I don't see the reason why you can't say na her husband, now you can't dey curse. People when people when give you woto, fear not let you talk to them. Anyway, I never sit down watch Lolo video well. If I still watch and finish, I go still get what to say. This one now when you dey call for saga, e get as e be, my sister. When you dey call people, all those tigers women, you dey call them for saga. Say may una come do saga together. So my people, more continue.
Family, I have come to see them. Do you know his family? Because if you know his family, you will always show it to social media world. Except you know them and they are Abriba people. Like what we believe people they call Abriba and people when they use a machine, they put machine for one corner for one hand, they go around streets. Except they be Abriba people. That's why you know for sure. You know they see me, they brag with my husband people. You know they see me, they brag with my husband family. I dey use it, they rake, I dey use it, they post, I dey use it, they pose. Olekia.
Like
Olekia,
seriously?
Get a life. Your bullying of women has been too much. If you take only me to face anybody bullying women for no reason out of hatred, you bully and bully and bully your fellow women endlessly, tirelessly. With your depressed and frustrated life, you vent it on other people. What is the problem of you people with ekia? Because you are so spoiled, you are so rotten that all your life is centered on ekia. So when you see somebody that is not doing ekia, you say, hey, the person don't have life, or the person is depressed. When you that is even doing ekia, you are the one who is first of all depressed. Because you don't allow your fellow women to drink water and drop cup. You will not allow them to drink water and drop cup. For what now? Can we not walk in the streets again because we have obesity, frustrated and depressed women like you who went to Europe and has nothing to show? Lolikia, you went to Europe and you have nothing to show. I challenge you to show those things you feel you have. Lolikia, you have nothing to show. Umanya bebo ya bebo. Umanyo power. Umanyo power, Lolikia. You will not allow somebody to rest. Lolikia, get a life. contact me, Loleke.
Shine dey say Lolo dey bully women. Shine dey cry say Lolo dey bully women because you and Lolo get issue now. Na make you come and say Lolo dey bully women. But the bully when you still dey give women, when you dey call women olosho, that one na bully or na wetin? You dey praise them with olosho. I no understand. Now you dey cry say Lolo dey bully women. You are the same person wey still dey bully women with your write up when you dey draw for your page. When you dey call your fellow woman olosho, wetin be that one? That one no be bully. So na two of una dey bully women. So not just come out and say Lolo dey bully women. So everybody go accept and say Lolo dey bully women. You too still dey bully women because for you to come out and call your fellow woman olosho, what are you doing and what are you? You are also bullying women. So stop calling Lolo say Lolo dey bully women because you still dey among people when they bully women like you. Okay? Maybe person you talk, you come out and make a video, and maybe a lady can still come out and say, this video when this woman do, e not suppose. They can still give you advice, say why you go do like that or why you no go do like that. You can't come out, they call your fellow woman olosho. That one na wetin my people. My people, wetin be that one? That one are praises, not be bully be that. So before you call Lolo say Lolo dey bully women, you should also stand up and watch yourself. Say I dey free for this bully when I wan call my fellow woman. You are not free. Same way when Lolo take dey bully women, na the same way you sef still take dey bully. So not just accuse one person because of say you not like this person, you want to accuse her. Same you sef, you still be bully. You still dey bully people. You dey bully people. So my people, more continue, more listening to her.
You in social media handle is still not enough for you. At the end of the day, contact me. I will raise funds for you in my organization. I will raise funds for you. Abba, what is your problem? What is your problem? Besio, ubeboko, akono betombla, akonkasema. Look at your head, your bokoro head. Like omonisimi logo. Isimi logo where umafio mo say, umafio mo say. That's why even as you are still grown up, you're still looking like umafome seneko. Umafome seneko.
This woman no kill me with laugh for my people. If you call Lolo, say Lolo no form well for belle. Some people shall we dey talk, we know the reason before we talk. If you feel call Lolo, say Lolo no form well for belle before they born her. Wetin? Abeg, don't let me talk, madam. Don't let me talk. Woman wey tall, get body. E tall, e can't fine, join na, can't gallant, e can't get better body. You say e no form. My people, that one make sense. Say woman like Lolo, we know say Lolo dey talk because this life, if you talk small, you will still rest for matter. Lolo dey talk, dey talk well. So I no support this woman when they say Lolo no form well for belle. Before she even dey talk, you stand up for mirror, look yourself, say me when one laugh Lolo, say Lolo no form well for belle. Lolo wey tall, Lolo rich woman. She tall, she can't get the better body. She can't still find join her. Not be obiakpo. So my people, more continue.
You bully your fellow woman, you condemn your fellow woman, you condemn them. Who are you to be condemning people?
Same way when Shine still take dey condemn fellow women like her. You when fit call woman olosho, wetin you be? You not condemn your fellow woman. Olosho when you call woman, when be say maybe the woman not still dey do olosho again. Fine, say everybody dey abroad. many of us do am or many of us not do am. You wey fit come out dey call your fellow woman olosho, you no know say that olosho wey you still dey call woman go still make woman depressed, same way when Lolo still take dey bully her fellow woman. So you now you dey judge Lolo, you dey judge Lolo. Abeg my people, more continue.
Who gave you the audacity? Ayo da hani nwe? Ayo da hani nwe lolekia? Iya Ayemiomo gaso. Hey, check your time again. We have a video now. I woke up to see your video. Ina yori. Ina when you do play. Yes, that is how ready I am for you guys.
Continue.
That is how ready I am.
Continue.
If it will take us 1 year to do this thing, we will do it.
Oh. Shine, no give up, oh. Even though your husband dey beg you, because before you come out now say even though na 1 year it take you to saga them, you no give up. Please no give up. Even though your husband beg you, no give up. Continue. We dey here. You know saga go blow your channel. You no know. If you dey do saga, people dey watch you. So no rest to continue the saga Lolo. No give up, eh? We dey watch. Mo say as e go take end.
No be your mates now. Saga no be your mates, no ekia. No kebe umai balazi. No kebe umai balazi sound very wow. And when it sound very wow. Let everybody begin to show themselves. Let's show what we have. Let's show who has it more. Let's show who has it more. It sound very wow. That your almost what you call a husband. He say, hey, I'll be talking like I'll be talking to me, sister. Now I go answer you. You see, you didn't even have to even talk to me before I mentioned your name. Because I don't feel tired you for Bele. I bust him and I bust him. Because I will not talk to any riffraff, any smallie on social media. You see una say una be the madam, una be the okete, because now lead all those other people. Now show all those other people road. Say, hey, now so that they bully people. Now so that they bully people. Any almost rule, any omeme, I'm not good now. We just they start. I don't go answer them. If they let me, they sing from now till next year. I don't go answer them. You see, on that one, I saw that been madam, I don't worry again everywhere. What I know, worry again everywhere. Who will bully people? Now I go take shine.
I bet use the shine. Why would they analyze them? Oh, what?
Because too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is bad. Lolo. And I be in Nigeria. Everything is dead. Okay? But you are there struggling in UK. Struggling in UK. Struggling in UK. Look at the hair you went to make. You are laughing, somebody said, this hair, look at it, it's fluffy. You call it rubber hair. It's fluffy, see. It go buy your land when you not feel back. All your years of prostitution, all your years of selling pekus in Europe, it go buy and sell.
Mola Sina, you they accuse Lolo of bullying women. Now see wetin word when you still dey call Lolo. You not come out just to talk proper. If I say you talk now, you not still start to the bully. I don't know. You too like to dey call women olosho. I don't know wetin you see for that thing when you dey call your fellow woman olosho. You too like that thing. Abi they pay you for body say after many years, after many trying to come to Europe, e no work for you. Na make body dey hurt you towards people wey dey Europe. You dey call women wey dey Europe olosho. You not be women wey dey Europe wey be olosho. You not be all those women wey dey Europe when they use money dey buy husbands. Come on, my sister. Not all women wey dey, not be all women wey dey Europe dey use money buy husband. And secondly, not stop bullying people before you judge your fellow woman wey still dey bully people. When you stop, when you not dey bully, maybe you talk to Lolo now, you not bully her. You come out, you talk to person, or you drop any post, you not call your fellow woman olosho. We feel they praise you, say yes, deal with Lolo. You now you dey bully woman just the way when you say Lolo still take dey bully. So wetin come dey different between you and the same person when you dey judge? Nothing dey different. So my amazing people,
You know that my people. Now I mean no my people. If they pay your diary no look here, social media no go hear what. Social media no go hear what. You dey beg am, even they give am the money, make it put for your head as a phobia. You don't put on. Because if you don't put on, you go show us. You go show the whole world. With the social media, me, the social media in the and the social media family, you go show us. But you haven't showed it. So when married women are talking, Oleka, stop talking. You are not a married woman, you are a living together woman.
like seriously?
You are living together with a man, a girlfriend. That's what you are. I tell you and I put it to you that you are a girlfriend. A girlfriend, that's why you're very, you don't have, you don't, you une natie, unine. And then when odigie, Saga not be your mates. I dare you. I dare you. Saga not be your mates. Una own pattern for abroad is different from our pattern for Nigeria. Any year.
Wetin I dey hate for all of una when dey do saga say as una dey make mouth so for social media pro, if una see una sef for ground una no dey fit do anything. Why be say una just make noise finish for social media, una see una sef for ground, una no fit set the bro mo see as una set the bro now, set camera mo see say no be una no just dey make mouth. As una dey make mouth una still get the power join am. Eh? Now just dey social media mouth audio speed wey dey una mouth e go finish for inside una room, e go full una room. But if una see una sef for outside, una no dey fit withstand una sef say today na die mo finish am. That una fuck up o, una dey fall our hand o. Una dey fall our hand, our leg o. Abeg, no be only to make mouth for social media, abeg. Mona, as una dey make mouth, mona try still dey show us say na una be the boss. Okay, so my amazing people. So may I see wetin people talk for this. This one say, child, this one lad o, shine you get mad, Jesus. Okay. And another one come say, madam, thank you. Her too much o. Local blogger like her, she does not know that she is not making sense. And another person come say again, Lolo. Lolo okpo miniki, Austin side chick. Lolo no get shame. Shine, if Lolo saga you, saga her back. Lolo date married men, chief and some other married men. My people, as I dey edit, I'll paste the comment so that una will see wetin people dey write. No be me talk, and na commenters drop am. Una know say this our channel, as we dey talk, we still dey like bring the comment come out so that una will see the comment. So another person come say Lolo should go and look for another work. It's true something happened in that her former place of work. If not, let her try to go get last 3 days to prove people wrong. Okay, another one say so person come reply say it's like this Lolo need help, always looking for trouble everywhere. And another one say you be real local champion. Another one come out again say shine, you talk truth. Lolekia okpo miniki, Austin side chick no e or big village. And the other one say God Almighty will bless you, my sister. Just want you to know that I love you so much. Oh, no concern me if you love her. And our last comment of today say, let me just check the comment to read. Is our last comment. He said, my lady, forget about that Lolo of a person. Her all full, her body, yet she is always analyzing other people issue. That was how she carried Kora matter on her hair and was hawking it like gala. My lady, next time, do not bring her matter, do not bring marital issue out in the social media space. There is no perfect marriage. Na cloth most people take cover body. Just continue to shine your shine. So this one say, shine, you forget one of her makeup. Do me well. Tell Lolekia to come out without makeup. Jesus, you go run. And this one say, do not blame her, since Cora matter has made her depression, so she has to come for you so she can make ends meet. You can see she is very bitter on her no happiness in her marriage. Lolekia, aka Baba Ajasco. Now, wow, people. So, my amazing people, I'll stop this video here. Not fair to drop your comment. What you think about this video? As una know, say if we dey edit, we go paste the comment so that when I will see the comments when people drop for this video. So, my amazing people, I'll be leaving you people. I'm leaving people, but leaving you people. I will be going edit this video. So if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, not fail to subscribe. Support your girl by subscribing. Also on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, now receive my video. God bless you. I love you. See you on my next video. Stay blessed.